Hello everyone, I am Ali Sheikh. I am the founding director of Lead Pakistan. I'm based in Islamabad. I represent CSOs on PPCR Trust Fund Committee. I have primarily represented three types of CSOs on the committee. First are CBOs or community-based organizations. These are the activist groups that work with communities across the Asian continent in several countries. Second are NGOs that work at subnational or national level in several Asian countries. And third are the research and think tank networks, organizations that are engaged at the policy level. Representing CSOs from Asia, I'm cognizant of the fact that Asia has a very diverse and very complex setting. We believe that with the highest rate of emissions increase and the highest rate of incidence of poverty, the climate battle will be won or lost in the Asian continent. Therefore, while serving on the committee, I tend to wear three hats. I've learned that I am as an observer. I have served as an observer for 2 consecutive terms, and I have been extremely fortunate to represent to represent observers on the advisory group on learning and monitoring. This was an extremely innovative and robust process that was initiated by the administrative unit to see how impactful or transformative the investments have been. Then I was also part of TCLP, the flagship initiative on transformational change and learning partnership that brought several diverse partners and players together. One challenge, of course, in a complex work like this is communication. The communication challenges were several. For observers, I think one challenge has been how to have a more structured, more systematic, more predictable interaction or discourse with the recipient governments and other MDBs. But then at the same time, I was fortunate to be engaged in processes that were strengthening communication with local stakeholders. In Africa, in Asia, I was particularly involved in capacity building, in dialogue, in workshops, in trainings, in webinars, and in fact social media like tweeting, to ensure that some of the work is communicated systematically and more frequently to the counterparts to have a collaborative learning, and in our effort to see where the thresholds are for transformational, for just transitions, and for the value of programmatic learning and other aspects that we have been discussing. I was also fortunate to be engaged very closely and very systematically in design, development, and delivery of country-level grants. If I were to mentor incoming observers, I'll say let's expect 3 things from each observer. To be an observer and a learner in order to communicate the decisions and their rationale and their strengths and weaknesses. Second, be a champion of a particular aspect, be it leadership, be it just transitions, be it transparency or accountability, but be a champion of a particular purpose like transformational change. And third, be a broker and a mediator. We can be instruments of a discussion or a discourse to reach certain consensus and agreement. And that is our role, to bring a consensus between recipient governments and other stakeholders and the governance level structures. So this is the role of a broker and a mediator.